Hello, language learners. Welcome to another enlightening episode of the IELTS Secrets podcast, your ultimate guide to achieving top scores in the IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor hailing from the stunning landscapes of New Zealand, here to assist you in mastering the speaking section. Today, our focus is on exploring habits and routines. Question 1. Tell me what you would do on a normal working day. When discussing your daily routine, it's crucial to provide a structured and detailed response. Our template will help you organize your thoughts and highlight key activities in your daily schedule. Here is our template. Well, here is my daily normal working day. Firstly, and then you should describe the initial activity or task. And then it's important to me because, and then explain the significance. And then you should mention the next activity or task. Afterwards, I tend to, and then describe another activity or routine. Finally, here you should mention the concluding activity or routine. Now let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response based on the same structure.
Tell me what you would do on a normal working day.
Well, here's my daily normal working day. Firstly, I wake up at 6 a.m. and start my day with a refreshing cup of coffee. It's important to me because it helps me kickstart my morning with energy and focus. Then, I spend the next few hours attending to emails and planning my tasks for the day. Afterwards, I tend to take a short break to go for a brisk walk around the neighborhood to clear my mind and get some fresh air. Finally, in the evening, I wind down by spending quality time with my family, enjoying a home-cooked meal with them, and relaxing with a good book before bedtime.
Question 2. How do you like to relax after a hard day? Expressing your preferred method of relaxation requires clarity and coherence. Our template will guide you in presenting your relaxation routine and its benefits effectively. Here is our template. Well, the best way for me to relax would be, and then you should describe your preferred activity or method. For example, here you should provide an illustration of how you relax. Alternatively, and here you should mention an alternative relaxation method, which is, and then beneficial in terms of, and then explain the benefits. Now let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response based on the same structure.
How do you like to relax after a hard day?
Well, the best way for me to relax would be to unwind with some soothing music and a warm bubble bath. For example, after a long and stressful day at work, I find that soaking in a tub filled with lavender-scented bubbles helps to ease the tension in my muscles and calm my mind. Alternatively, I enjoy practicing mindful meditation, which is beneficial in terms of reducing stress and promoting mental clarity and relaxation.
Question 3. Do you think it's a good thing or bad thing for someone to develop routines? When discussing the pros and cons of developing routines, it's important to present a well-balanced argument. Our template will assist you in articulating the benefits and drawbacks of routines effectively. Here is our template. Well, there are a number of benefits of, and here you should describe developing routines. One of them would be, and here you should mention a specific benefit. For example, and here provide an illustration. Secondly, mention another benefit. And then if, however, and then state a potential drawback, then, and then explain the consequences. Now let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response based on the same structure.
Do you think it is a good thing or bad thing for someone to develop routines?
Well, there are a number of benefits of developing routines. One of them would be establishing a sense of structure and organization in daily life, which can lead to increased productivity and efficiency. For example, having a morning routine helps me start my day with purpose and direction, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Secondly, routines can also promote healthy habits and self-discipline, such as regular exercise and adequate sleep. If, however, routines become too rigid and inflexible, individuals may feel stifled and restricted in their actions, leading to feelings of monotony and boredom.
Question 4. Do you have a bad habit that you would like to lose? Acknowledging and addressing bad habits is important for personal growth. Our template will help you identify and discuss a bad habit you would like to overcome and its potential benefits. Here is our template. One of the unhealthy habits I have been trying to give up is, and then describe the bad habit that you have. Next, if I could, here you should mention a strategy or approach. I would be able to, and here you should state the positive outcome, and this would, and explain the benefits. Now let's listen to a Band 9 speaking response based on the same structure.
Do you have a bad habit that you would like to lose?
One of the unhealthy habits I have been trying to give up is procrastination. If I could implement better time management techniques and prioritize tasks effectively, I would be able to increase my productivity and accomplish more in less time. This would not only reduce stress and anxiety associated with looming deadlines, but also provide me with a greater sense of accomplishment and satisfaction in my work.
Congratulations, dear listeners! You've now armed yourselves with structured templates to navigate discussions on habits and routines with confidence. Remember to incorporate these templates into your responses and watch as your speaking scores soar. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.